Hi girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect. A new wallet is hitting the store in 2022. I can't wait to show you. Stay tuned. Girls, this wallet is awesome. It is new for 2022, will come in several leathers. And this wallet is small, petite, and will fit into any little small purse that you have or handbag. And we are coming out with a smaller tote in 2022 and belt bag. So they will complement that very well and fit in there all snugly and cute and perfect. Can't wait to show you. I'm going to spin you around. Girls, I'm so excited about this one. I don't even think I've shared with you that this was even coming, but I've been working hard designing new things, and this one's gorgeous. This is also a new leather. So this is definitely, like, we have our mulberry that we already have, and this is definitely more of a pink plum. I will let you know if this color will stay or not, but leave me your comments on this color, because we could add this to our leather collection and put it on our TNs. But I wanted this. I'm coming out with a belt bag. I will show you that soon. Our tote is also coming available, but these are really fun to put in belt bags and smaller totes that I will be carrying in 2022. And this is coming in 2022 as well. But you know what I love about it? The contrast. I love the black with this pink color, the branding daisy right here. It has an easy accessible card pocket on the back, which I actually really, really love because I wanted a quick grab. Yes, I visit Pottery Barn a lot. You could put whatever cards you wanted back there. So this is the inside. And it has our name right there on the pocket. There is a zipper pocket here for your coins. And mine's filled with coins. It's got the place for bills. It's got several pockets here. And then it's also, so it's got 3 pockets there. And then it's got the easy accessible to in and out. And then we've got 3 more pockets here that you can double up on your cards. More pocket space here. So this is easy breezy stuff here. Let me tell you something, ladies. This is a gorgeous wallet. Something that you can tuck in something cute or just take it as it is. It's gorgeous. Coming to Planner Perfect 2022.